Hello, my friend. Are you learning English? Do you feel shy or scared to speak? That's okay. Many people feel that way. But today, we will practice together. You are not alone. Please, repeat after me. I want to speak English. I will speak English. I am not perfect, and that's okay. I am learning step by step. Every mistake helps me grow. I am brave. I am strong. I can speak. Let's say some easy sentences. Hello. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. What is your name? My name is. Say your name. Where are you from? I am from Bangladesh. I like to learn English. Every day, I will try. Hello, friends. Welcome to today's English story. Today, we learn a simple lesson: start your day with a good heart. This is a story. A short story with easy English. And at the end, we will learn a small life lesson. Part 1: The morning. It is morning. The sky is pink. The birds are singing. The sun is coming up. A boy wakes up. His name is Adam. Adam is 20 years old. He lives in a small house. He is tired. He wants to sleep more. But Adam remembers something. His father once said, "Wake up early. The morning is your gift." Adam sits up. He smiles. He says, "Today, I will do my best." Part 2: Simple steps. Adam washes his face. He brushes his teeth. He drinks water. He takes a deep breath. Then, Adam writes one sentence in his notebook. He writes, "I am ready for today." It is a simple step. But small steps make big change. Adam does not check his phone. He does not waste time. He starts his day with peace. Part 3: A short walk. Adam goes outside. The air is fresh. The sky is blue. He walks to the park. He sees old people walking. He sees a child playing. He sees a dog sleeping. He feels calm. He feels happy. This is a good start. Part 4: The work. After his walk, Adam goes to work. He works at a small shop. He helps people buy food. He says, "Hello. How are you?" with a big smile. One old man says, "Thank you. You are kind." Adam feels proud. He is not rich. But he is good. He is kind. He is strong. Part 5: The night. The day ends. Adam comes home. He eats dinner. He reads a book. He writes again in his notebook. He writes, "I woke up early. I helped people. I am happy." He turns off the light. He sleeps with peace. This was the story of Adam. Adam is not a superhero. He is a normal person, like me, like you. But Adam does 3 things. 1. He wakes up early. 2. He starts with peace. 3. He works with a kind heart. This is the lesson: you do not need money to start your day well. You need a clear mind and a strong heart. You can be like Adam. Wake up early. Take small steps. Be kind to others. And be kind to yourself. Thank you for watching. Speak slowly. Think clearly. Live simply.